Part 2, Polyurea vs Rubber Liner, refinishing a water feature that was leaking. As you saw in Part 1, the water feature we are repairing is complex, has many angles, and will have heavy stones added at the end. Let's now explain why a sprayed application of polyurea is the right solution, as compared to using the older, more traditional rubber or HDPE liner process. Materials. Polyurea is a synthetic polymer made from the reaction of isocyanates and amines. It's an elastomeric material, meaning it's highly flexible and can stretch without breaking. HDPE, on the other hand, is a thermoplastic material made from petroleum. Application. Spray-applied polyurea allows for a seamless and continuous application, effectively covering the surface to be protected. HDPE liners are manufactured in large sheets, which need to be welded or seamed together on site. This can create potential leaks. Flexibility. Polyurea has a higher degree of flexibility and elongation compared to HDPE, making it better suited for more complex applications. This flexibility allows polyurea to better conform to irregular surfaces and resist cracking. Time. Polyurea has a very fast cure time, typically within seconds to minutes, depending on the formulation. This allows for rapid installation and minimal downtime. HDPE liners, on the other hand, require a longer installation time as seams need to be welded and properly tested for integrity. Durability. Polyurea is known for its excellent durability and resistance to wear, abrasion, and impact, which can lead to a longer lifespan. HDPE can be susceptible to punctures and may degrade when exposed to UV light if not treated with appropriate UV stabilizers. Temperature and UV. Polyurea can withstand a wider range of temperatures than HDPE, making it suitable for applications with temperature fluctuations or extreme conditions. There are, however, aromatic and alphilic polyurea formulations available which will stand up to UV. Result. Polyurea can be applied over more complicated structures, will save time in the process, and offer more durability and a longer lifespan, especially in our West Coast climate.